My name is Jed Steiner. I'm the manager of our technical implementations at NISC. My teams handle all of the hardware and software configuration across the U.S., which is electric and telephone cooperatives. Our membership, the majority of them are fairly small cooperatives, and they don't have a dedicated IT staff. So we were looking for a VMware in a box solution to be able to provide to our members that we can manage remotely, has a small footprint from a hardware perspective in their office, and is easy to get in place and honestly just runs. It really has simplified our deployment for our membership. We've reduced the number of on-site visits that we need and can have their VM infrastructure in place and ready for our deployment teams to start working on the software. The ease of that deployment and then the management of it for our support, we were able to reduce to one socket host, and that's saving our membership upfront of about 22 grand and roughly 3,500 annually in maintenance for their Oracle licensing. So that has been a game changer. Absolutely. We worked with the StorMagic team, and they were fantastic to work with, answered all of our questions, gave us some good ideas, really felt like a partnership. As we've continued to implement it, if we have a question, it's answered really quickly, and they're engaged on wanting that solution to work out just as much as we are.